I'ma make it burn. I'ma make it burn. Let's go.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Octane Red 392, and the guest today is Roman. Oh, you want to talk about white shoes?
White shoes, Roman. No matter to me.
I'll put his IG right there. That's his IG. This is the second part of the BAGGED Challenger project. Let's call it that. So this Challenger, we are headed to Columbia to pick it up. What's the name of that company again?
HNKS Performance.
HNKS Performance. Go check those guys out. Small business. Yeah, so this is part 2 to the BAGGED Challenger. It took a little bit longer than usual. Some issues came about. Yeah, it went from 2 days to a little bit longer than that. That's all I'm gonna say. Good thing is, but to get this car back, we're gonna see how he likes the way his car makes a little bag sound. So we had a debate about that. I got a lot of you guys' comments. A lot of you guys actually like the bags on the Chargers and Challengers. I like them too. I'm a fan of lower cars, but I like the bags because you can raise them up again. Like when you got a static look, you're kind of stuck with the way the road is in your area, and that's not always a good thing. So, but you know, I had mine lowered with springs. That did not work for me at all. So I took them back at the stock ride height. Sometimes I have a little bit of PTSD when I go over certain bumps where I used to bottom out at. This guy here, he's going through it. Bless you.
Thank you.
He's going through it because every time I go one of these bumps that he would bottom out on, he'd be like, hey, slow down. I'm like, I don't have to, but I'm a stock height.
That is true.
So the Scat Packs 392 platforms, all of them from Chargers, Challengers, Chrysler 300s, they all kind of ride a little bit lower. I have noticed the 6-piston though, the wheel and tire package upgrade they sell you with the 9.5-inch rim and the 6-piston Brembos do seem to ride a little bit lower than the actual 4-piston Scat Pack. So one that doesn't have the wheel tire package that has a 9-inch rim, I don't know if they changed the shock out or they just changed out the shock and the strut. I'm not 100% sure, but leave in the comments if you notice that your stock Scat Pack, Daytona, TA, Challenger, if you notice that one rides lower than one that doesn't have the 6-piston Brembo setup on it. Just leave down in the comment. We're gonna get back to you guys when we're at the shop, and here we go. All right, guys. So we're here at HNKS, correct?
Yes, sir.
HNKS Performance. Yeah, no. Performance. So we're here. Here's the car, and he's gonna lower it for us. That's sick.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Well, so
how long does it take to
I can air it up to ride height right now. Like if you're just
okay.
let's say this is like the parking lot, you ready to go home, right?
Mm-hmm.
We got it set at 75 all the way around. PSI.
Yeah.
You can adjust it however you want. We just set it here just until you get it. You can set it lower, higher.
It goes lower than this?
Huh?
It goes lower than this?
No, like ride height.
Oh, ride height,
So
ride
like,
height.
we set it at 75, which is that's what I test drove it in around this little circle.
Yeah.
Just to make sure everything doesn't rub and nothing clunks.
Yeah.
Right. Everything seemed fine. But if you wanted to ride lower, you can. We just set it at 75, just like an average PSI. So, but
Here it is. You gonna raise it up?
to ride height, like if I was just ready to pull off, you know.
Oh.
So right there is gonna be ride height. So if you wanted to lower,
that was
you can.
fast.
Yeah.
That was super fast.
So That's how you drive around daily.
Yeah.
You want to? Now let's say
So-
you come up on a bump.
That is it, guys.
While you're driving, okay?
We're gonna
Like, I see
take a look at the trunk, show you guys how he's had his set up. But
You just press
yeah.
the top button twice, and that just air up. You know what I'm saying? And then like while you're driving after the bump, you just go back to ride high where you would double press this, and then back down to ride.
So is that, so I see you just hitting 2 buttons on the top.
Yeah, well, it's kind of hard to hold it yourself because like you'll feel a little bending all along the control. So yeah, that's right. Basically,
let's put it up.
so go ahead.
So that's his ride height, which looks like it was a little bit on the screens.
So basically, that'd be the backpack.
Monster truck.
Now it's at 75. And now if you want to air out the very bottom, come down and hold
So a question for you, with the tank in the back, is there a valve that I can pull everything, all the air out of it?
Yeah,
It's like this, come on.
All right, guys, so we're gonna take a look at the trunk.
I'm gonna turn it off so you don't have to.
It's a bigger tank.
So this is his setup.
So we got you a raw tank because the other one was painted,
Yeah.
and we were like, well, if he wants to paint it again, a raw tank's gonna be the best.
Yeah, I
you
got
don't
you.
want a polished tank.
Right.
So we just got you a raw tank. If you ever want to take it off, it's on a board itself. So everything's attached to a board, not to the car.
Alright, so me like driving,
Right.
that won't slide.
That's not gonna slide because I got it cut out. Let me. So I got it cut out around this curve right here, so it basically holds itself in place. Like it
Okay.
can't come out and it can't.
Alright, cool.
You know what
Just
I'm saying?
making sure, 'cause,
yeah,
yeah.
and it doesn't bounce around or nothing like that.
Okay.
So
Nice.
I have everything mounted to the board, so nothing's hard, like
Yeah.
bolted into your car.
Gotcha.
To let out the air, it's right there.
Oh, it's
You pull
raw.
that top part right there,
Alright.
and it'll let all the air out of the tank, even with the car aired up. You know,
Because the air in the
air's not
lines.
going to come from the badge because it's going to the management.
Exactly.
Yeah, so
Right on.
That's pretty cool.
but basically everything's removable, you know, for you. So if you ever have to do something, literally all you would have to do is disconnect everything from the management and pull the board out.
Cool.
So
Right on.
yeah,
Appreciate it.
and then again, I know you said you wanted to do something with this
Well, I mean,
spare
but-
tire.
Well, I initially wanted the system right there.
Right. And
Yeah,
all
I guess
this
the tank,
still
yeah.
folds up.
Yeah.
You know, so you still
you
have
still have
all
your-
this to do stuff with, you know.
Yep. That's pretty cool.
And these two boxes right here was the ride height sensors,
Sensor, yeah.
but nobody ever uses those because it's a pain in the ass to wire up. You know? And obviously the guy that had this before didn't even use them because they're brand new.
Yeah.
You know, still in the box.
A lot of stuff we didn't use in there.
Yeah. So, and obviously those are
Yeah.
collar
Spare
adjustments, you know, and stuff. But
Sweet.
I think that's about it. And I know you're ready to
Yeah.
have them keys in your hand.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I know.
And it's weird not looking at my phone and not seeing my car in the garage.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Basically in somebody else's hands. It's gotta be weird, especially like a car you're building.
So,
That makes sense.
there you go. As you see,
A car that you care about.
car is bagged out now. Some of them had some minor issues. As you see, if you heard, they got a new tank because the tank had issues and then the line issues. So they got a pretty quick turnaround. All the pieces like pre-ordered, have them at the shop, rep your call from 2 days and ready to go again. So that was the update for the bags on the Challenger. So here's the bag project. Looks pretty cool. Let me show you guys the inside right quick, where he has the controls at, so you can see how it's set up. So as you see, here's his controller right here. You're gonna be getting a Pro Clips controller holder, airlift performance. It's all in that wire right there, that's it. So
Or about that.
All right, guys. So my buddy Roman got his car back from HNKS Performance. They put the bags on it. He said it rides like a little bit better than stock, but he said he loves it. He still gets that look of when he had springs, when he had lowering springs, but now he can drop it even more when he parks at shows or just at anywhere, because when you got bags, you just want to air it out everywhere you go. That was it. I just want to give you guys a quick update on that, because we actually just got back from Columbia. We're back in Savannah, and he's back in South Carolina. So thanks again for tuning in.
But wait, there's more.
So here's it in the daytime, guys. You can see, just cleaned it up. And you say this is monster truck height?
Yeah, this is monster truck height.
I don't think so.
For me, it is.
Oh, for you it
It
is.
can go higher, yeah.
All right, so here, he has it up, then he's gonna go down.
Like, you want to do
All the way down.
go all the way down?
Yeah. Now, what we're gonna show you guys is right now he can go all the way back up. He doesn't have to wait. He has air already on demand because he has a bigger tank. And his tank is this is kind of the setup I want. So I want to have air on demand. I don't have to wait. You can kind of hear the, what are they called? Compressors still filling the tank, but he still has air in his system. So he can continue to go up and down. Well, not continuously, but he has it to where he can move it quicker. So when he's riding, he wants to adjust the height, he has it immediately. If he wants to bag it out, he can take it right back up. So this is the, which kit is this again?
3P, 3H airlift.
3P, 3H airlift. It was put on by HNKS Performance.
Yep.
And they're based out of Lexington, South Carolina. Irmo, South Carolina. Irmo, South Carolina. That's what it is, ladies and gentlemen. And as you can see, it was detailed by yours truly. And I'm gonna back it out one time to exit the video. Boom. That's tight. No rubbing, of course. The nice fitment here. And the size tires you got again are what?
275 front, 315 in the back.
315s in the back, 275s up front. And then what's the width of the rim you got?
9.5 in the front and 11 in the back.
11 in the back. 11-inch rim in the back on 315s. You see the tire shine. You see it's a nice gap in there. So you can even probably go to a 12-inch. I'm just not sure how tight it is on the inside of the frame and the tire, but here there's no issues. So it's safe to say you can do 11-inch rim on the back with a 315 tire and be fine. So once again, thanks for tuning in. Also hit up my about page. There you can find my email if you want me to answer certain questions about the Mopars, Challengers, Chargers, Dodges, Dodge Rams. Just hit me up there, send me the message. I'll answer it live on my next video. And I might even be doing a vlog soon, so I may answer them there. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the support, the continued support. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you next time. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. So this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!